Hey Spice Fam, welcome back to Cooking with Munchies. If you like air fried chicken, go ahead and hit that like button before we continue. And then I'm going to show you guys how to make the best garlic pepper chicken in your Galanz air fryer. You can make it in any air fryer. So first we're going to wash off our chicken and we're going to wash it off in cold water. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, that is great. You can use that too. Then we're going to season our chicken with 1.5 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic pepper. And you can buy this at Dollar Tree for $1.25 because Dollar Tree did go up on their prices. I'm not sure if it's everywhere, but everything is like $1.25 now. So then we're going to add 1/3 tablespoon or teaspoon of black pepper. If you need more black pepper, you're more than welcome to add some more. And then we're going to mix our chicken in. Now, I was going for more of a drier taste in my chicken. I didn't want it to be too juicy. So what I did was I removed some of the vinegar in the bowl. You do not have to do this if you do not want your chicken to look like mine. You can still keep your juices inside, and then your chicken is going to create more juices, the natural bone marrow juices. So I would recommend removing some of that vinegar and water in the bowl. If you don't remove it, add some more seasoning on top of your chicken when you add it to your pan. Now I'm using an 8x8 glass pan, and I'm using my air fryer piece. And I have it set on top of the air fryer piece because if you haven't been following me or you're just now following me, I had the whole unit, but my roaster pan got rusted. So of course I had to throw it away. I contacted Galanz and they told me that there's pretty much nothing I can do. I will have to pretty much buy a new unit. And I just made the best thing out of nothing, and I've been using the glass pan or aluminum pan. And I'll just put it on top of my air fryer piece and it's been doing great. So work what you got. Then I'm going to add some paprika on top, put my food inside the air fryer, hit the bake button, then start. Then you're going to hit the plus button until you get to 400 degrees. And then you're going to hit the 5-minute button until you get to 30 minutes and hit start. And boom, just let it cook for 30 minutes. You don't have to flip it, turn it, none of that. It's going to cook. And there you have it. Some delicious baked air fry. You can say air fry too. Delicious baked garlic pepper chicken in your Galanz air fryer. Delicious. So my next video, I will be showing you guys how I made some homemade biscuits inside of this air fryer. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe today and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video at 12 o'clock midnight. Love you. Bye.